Hi there, welcome back to OneClick Code Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ventilation calculator inside OneClick Code. Attic ventilation is one of those things that's easy to overlook, but it has a huge impact. Poor ventilation can lead to moisture issues, overheated attics, shortened shingle life, and even failed inspections. On the other hand, balanced intake and exhaust help protect the home and support a solid defensible estimate. While proper ventilation includes both intake and exhaust, our current ventilation calculator focuses specifically on exhaust ventilation to provide clear, accurate guidance. With our ventilation calculator, you can calculate the ventilation needed based on the complexity of the roof and how much ventilation you need to stay up to code. It takes the guesswork out of the equation so you can focus on building and documenting your scope. Let me show you how it's done. On your dashboard, go to Projects and click on Create Project. Type in the property address and the system instantly pulls the correct jurisdiction. Once your desired address pops up, click Submit. You are now taken to your project. To access the ventilation calculator, scroll down on this screen and click Calculate next to Roof Ventilation. This will open a new page where you'll enter the calculator inputs. Now that you've reached the calculator, the next step is entering your project details. For this example, I'll enter sample values, but please add the numbers corresponding to your project. You'll need to provide the following values: roof size in squares, predominant pitch, existing roof or attic vents. If there's already ventilation in place, you can tell the calculator what's there so it can factor it in. When you're done, click Calculate and the ventilation calculator will instantly run the numbers for you. The calculation will show you the total required ventilation for the attic, how much is already covered by existing vents, if you entered them, and how much extra exhaust ventilation you need to add to stay balanced and code compliant. You can also check additional vent options, where you'll see an option to View Note. Clicking that will expand a written breakdown of the calculation. You can also copy the note directly and paste it into your estimate or documentation. When you're ready, click Create Report. OneClick Code will generate a ventilation report that includes property address and authority having jurisdiction, sales tax details, whether code is enforced, if manufacturer specifications apply, if building permits are issued locally, the roof inputs you entered, roof size, predominant pitch, existing vents, and the calculated ventilation requirements, and recommended quantities and links for vents. And if you ever need to refer back to it later, you can easily download the PDF by clicking on the download icon at the top right of your report. Thank you for watching. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and check out our other tutorials.